Discover the rarest treasure of nature, Chinese Pure Oud Oil. Extracted from ancient agarwood deep within China's forests, each drop is a journey into pure elegance. This isn't just perfume. It's centuries of tradition, distilled into a scent that lingers with power and grace. Woody, earthy, mysterious, 100% natural, alcohol-free, long-lasting. Our oud oil is handcrafted for those who value authenticity and refinement. Whether for daily wear or special moments, its warmth wraps around you like a second skin. Trusted by oud lovers around the world, Chinese Pure Oud Oil leaves a lasting impression, quietly powerful, undeniably unique. Why settle for synthetic when you can wear the original? Visit oud-oils.com and discover your signature scent. Chinese